So with a slap to the face of the doubters, bang! Young Dujuan Whisper Richards has signed what is called a pre-contract deal with Premier League giants Chelsea. And it's a pre-contract agreement because Whisper is not yet 18 years old. And it is the first time in the history of Jamaican football that a player has been signed out of schoolboy football into a big European club. And outside of the sound of eggs being splattered over the face of the Craig Butler detractors, we are also hearing some concerns about Chelsea not necessarily being the best destination for Whisper right now, because Chelsea has too many players and he's going to have to go out on loan and blah, blah, blah. Quite possible. But you know, I think a lot of people are overlooking just how super talented Whisper actually is, and the fact that he possesses a couple of the golden attributes of football, namely pace and finishing. So please, let us not underestimate Whisper's talent. And as is the case with Whisper going to Chelsea, this is where talent will meet opportunity. And that right there is the recipe for greatness. Whisper, Whisper.